Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the class. Dear viewers and learners, I think all of you are well and hearty. Research ID. I am Muhammad Ashraful Islam Asha, lecturer in English, Abu Bakar Bishas Maqsud Ali College, Sabrail Kaliganj, Zenaido. Today's discussion matter class declaration, Unit 1, Lesson 1, title Unforgettable History. That means the 7th March speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Page number from 1 to 5, part 2. Today's learning outcome, only one learning outcome. Dear learners and viewers, previously I have taken a class on this passage, and this is the second part. The slide contains 4 learning outcomes and 3 learning outcomes have been completed previously, and only one learning outcome will be completed today. And this learning outcome is some quotable speeches of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and it will be found in page number 5. And I request you to go through page number 5 and you can easily get the point. Okay, dear learners, I request you to go through the page number 5. Then you can easily get the point. The 7th month speech is a very significant speech of Bangladesh, not only in Bangladesh but also all over the world, and every line of the speech is a quotable line, and every sentence of the speech is a quotable sentence. But we only to find the speeches which are given on page number 5 and the significant species of page number 5, and also these species have many value for our liberation war. So I think all of you have got the points. So what should be the species? Probable solution, the species are given here. Since we have already had to shed blood, we will have to shed a lot more of it by the grace of God. However, we will be able to liberate the people of this land. The Bangla meaning of the speech is রক্ত যখন দিয়েছি রক্ত আরো দেব এদেশের মানুষকে মুক্ত করে ছাড়বো ইনশাল্লাহ. The second quotable speech of this page is the struggle this time is a struggle for freedom. The struggle this time is a struggle for emancipation. The Bangla meaning of the speech is এবারের সংগ্রাম মুক্তির সংগ্রাম, এবারের সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম. So the most significant speeches of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman may be these two speeches, and these two speeches is very much related to our liberation war and freedom. Dear learners, here is an evaluation for you, simple questions, and you try your best to find out what will be the correct answers. Who won in the general election of 1970? Easy question to you. Sheikh Mujib, Ya Khan, Mr. Bhutto. Sheikh Mujib is the correct answer. The second question, Sheikh Mujib delivered his speech. Historical speech on 5th June, 10th April, 7th March. You know that correct answer is 7th March. The Independence Day of Bangladesh is 13th June, 21st July, 26th March. It is also easy question to you. 26 March is the correct answer. The victory day of Bangladesh is 15th November, 22nd April, 16th December. It is also so much easy question to you, and 16th December is the correct answer. Oral questions. What does the speech signify? Again, what does the speech signify? It should be the only one question of the passage, and the significance of the speech is very much related to our freedom and freedom fight. So, what should be the answer? I think all of you have tried your best to recall to get the point, to get the answer, and I have given here a point on this. Actually, the speech signifies to get ready for our freedom fight, because the speech is an inspiration for the people of the country. That means it is the the significance of the species is to be ready for our freedom fight, and it is an inspiration for the general people of our country. More questions. These questions are for you, and you have to try it at your home, and you have to go through the passage and find out the question, the answer of the questions. Home task. Write a paragraph on Bangabandhu as an idol. Write a paragraph on Bangabandhu as an idol. So, no more today, dear learners. See you again in the next day with Unit 1, Lesson 2. Till then, best of luck and thank you all. Allah Hafaz. Bye.